chemical reaction and chemical equations. This is the chapter first of class 10. What is chemical reactions? Chemical reaction is process through which two or more compounds combines to form new products. That is, atom of reactants rearrange to form new product. That is, chemical bond between atoms breaks and arrange to form new products. But the symbol of chemical reaction is the presence of smell, presence of colors, और कह सकते हो changes of colors, changes in smell, changes in heat. That is the symbol of chemical reactions. And chemical reaction, that is process. But the symbolic representation of any chemical equation, the symbolic representation of any chemical reaction is called chemical equation. Chemical equation is the symbolic representation. That is, methyl chloride reacts with potassium hydroxide, then it produces methanol and potassium chloride. This is the chemical equation of chemical reactions. That is, methyl chloride reacts with aqueous potassium hydroxide. Aqueous means that is potassium hydroxide dissolved in water. Potassium hydroxide dissolved in water. Then after dissolution, this breaks into potassium ions and hydroxide ions. And methyl chloride also breaks into methyl radicals, that is CH3 plus and Cl minus. And positive part of the reactants are commonly called electrophiles, that is represented as ELE plus, and negative part is called nucleophiles, that is it carries negative charge. And the part of chemical equation present just before the arrow, part of chemical reaction present just before the arrow, and that is called reactant. And part of chemical equation present after the arrow, this arrow, and that is called product. So any reactant contains two components. That is, number first is substrate and second is attacking reagent. And substrate are those substances where attacking reagent attacks first, and it helps in formation of main product. That is methanol. Methanol is the main product, and their source is chloromethane or methyl chloride. So both contains CH3 commonly, and that is the main sources. So substrate is the main source of products, main products. So any chemical equations, chemical reactions represented in symbolic representation, symbolic form, and that is called chemical equation. This is the chemical equation. During chemical reaction, some negative part represented by replaced by other negative parts, and positive part also replaced by other positive parts. That is, parts of negative part of substrate replaced by negative part of attacking reagent, and after replacement it forms products and main products. This is the chemical equations. After chemical equations, some symbols are utilized and represent the chemical equations, that is essential components. That is, in a small bracket, S represents the physical state of substance, that is solid state. L represents that is liquid substance, and G for gases, plus Q or heat, that is it represents exothermic reactions. Next time I discuss exothermic reactions. And AQ means aqueous, that is dissolved in aqueous waters. Delta represents heat, or that is when this type of reactions absorbs heat, and it is the representation of endothermic reactions. ELE plus, that is electrophile, and it is a positive content or positively part of substrate. Nu minus means nucleophile, that is negative part of the attacking reagents. So this is the chemical equations. Next topic is skeletal chemical equation. What is skeletal? Skeletal means representation, that is symbolic form, symbolic representation of any chemical equation, but it can't in balanced form. That is that, as for examples, burning of magnesium in air. Burning means jalna, oxidation, magnesium in air. That is chemical reactions, and that their skeletal chemical equation is Mg for magnesium, O2 for oxygen, and product is MgO. This is unbalanced or skeletal chemical equation. Next topic is balanced chemical equations. Balanced chemical equation means number of atoms of reactant always equal to number of atom of products. That is, number of atom of reactant always equal to number of atoms of products, because any chemical equation and chemical reactions follow energy conservation or mass conservation. That is, total mass of reactant become equal to total mass of products. So it requires balancing. Then here contains one magnesium atom and one. That is, oxygen is two atoms. That is single atom. So it requires two magnesium atoms and two oxygen. That is two magnesium and two oxygen atoms. This is the balance. Method of balancing of chemical equations. Most popular method is heat and trial methods. That is, according to heat and trial methods, number of atoms of reactant always equal to number of atom of products, all atoms. Next, अब हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे different types of chemical reactions. So many types of chemical reactions, that is exothermic reactions, endothermic reactions, combination reactions, decomposition reactions, displacement reactions, double displacement reaction, redox reactions, neutralization reactions, oxidation reaction, reduction reactions, reversible and irreversible reactions. This is the different types of reactions. Discuss one by one. That is exothermic reactions. Exo means release of heat or energy from reactions, after reactions. That is number first. Many exothermic reactions add this type of reactions. In this type of reactions, heat or energy releases after chemical reactions, and that reaction is known as exothermic reactions. Many examples of exothermic, that is reaction of quicklime, और कह सकते हो dissolution of quicklime in water. That is, quicklime means calcium oxide reacts with water, then it produces calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide, that is CaOH2 plus releases heavy amount of heat. So this reaction is known as exothermic reactions. Next example is cellular respiration. Most popular reactions present in our body, that is cellular respiration. During respiration, food substrate, that is glucose, breaks into carbon dioxide and water in presence of oxygen, and that and many amount of energy, about 38 ATP energy releases, and this energy utilized in various biochemical process inside the body, and that respiration or that reaction is known as cellular respiration. That process is known as cellular respiration. Next, other exothermic reactions, examples of exothermic reactions, that is iron reacts with water in presence of oxygen, then it produces iron hydroxides and also releases heat. Then iron hydroxide dehydrated matlab release of water, and it produces iron oxides and NH2O, number of water molecules, and that is called rusting of irons. That is, rusting of iron also exothermic reactions. Then next reaction is endothermic. Next reaction is endothermic. Endothermic means in this type of chemical reactions, heat absorbs and it produces, after heat absorption, it produces main products and byproducts. It is a typical example of endothermic reaction is photosynthesis process of photosynthesis. That is, in this process, carbon dioxide and water combines in presence of light and chlorophyll, that is inside the plant cell, and it produces glucose and oxygen. This is the endothermic reaction because it requires light as a form of energy. Next example is cracking of alkane. Higher alkane, that is नेक्स्ट टॉपिक हम लोग कार्बोनेट से कंपाउंड्स में डिस्कस करेंगे। अल्केन वैसा सब्सटेंस जिसमें कार्बन कार्बन के बीच में सिंगल बॉन्ड होते हैं। अब ये सिंगल बॉन्ड वाले कंपाउंड है जिनका जनरल फार्मूला CnH2n+2। इसमें n की वैल्यू अगर 6 पुट करते हो तो ये फार्मूला आता है C6H14 and that is called hexane. And it, after heating, it breaks into alkane, butane, that is C4H10, and some products are also alkyl. This is the cracking. Cracking means breaking. Pyrolysis यानी in presence of heat. Pyros मतलब heating, यानी after heating or many process for decomposition, that is electrolytic decomposition, photolytic decomposition, and after decompose it produces many byproducts, and this type of cracking is heating. After heating, so this is called thermal decomposition. That is called thermal decomposition. That is decomposition of higher alkanes in presence of heat, and that type of decomposition is known as thermal decomposition. So higher alkane breaks into a smaller alkane and alkenes, and the process is called cracking or pyrolysis. This reaction performs in presence of always heat. After a strong heating, higher alkanes breaks into a small alkane and a small alkenes. So this type of reaction is called endothermic reactions. Next reaction is combination. Combination means combines. Two or more components combines to form single products. That is combination reactions. Combination means combination of two or more components, that like X plus Y, that is XY, that is C plus O2 CO2. मतलब कार्बन और ऑक्सीजन को कंबाइन करेंगे तो CO2 मिल जाएगा। सोडियम और क्लोरीन को अगर हम लोग ये करेंगे, हीट करेंगे या मिलाएंगे तो मिल जाएगा हमें सोडियम क्लोराइड। दैट इज कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शंस। कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन मींस टू और मोर कंपोनेंट्स combines to form single product, and that type of reaction is known as combination. It may be endothermic, it may be exothermic, both type of reactions. That is combination reactions. Next is decomposition reaction, and discuss in next classes. Discuss in next classes.